Hey there, are you working more than ever before on the computer, staring at a screen, or maybe you're just working a ton in between the screen and your phone? You are starting to have a ton of neck and shoulder problems. Well, welcome to Hands-On Therapy Services. My name is Huang, and I want to share with you a story of one of our clients that she was telling me the same thing. She is just working more than ever before, and her job requires her to be on the computer a lot. And right now she's starting to have, like, her shoulders are starting to really tighten up, one side more than the other side. Now, she saw my video on chin tucks, and if you have seen it, then great. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna try to include it somewhere in here. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll include it so you can find it. And if you are on YouTube, then you can hit subscribe so you can see more videos like this I'm gonna share with you. If you see me on Instagram or Facebook, you can also like and follow me on those channels as well. But I wanted to share with you exactly what I shared with her, because she was starting to feel her shoulders getting really tight because she's sitting on the computer and she's just working all the time. So one of the things that I noticed when we did a session together, I'm going to sit down so I can show you what was going on with her. So, and you can try this yourself at home if you are someone who's having some stiff shoulders. So one of the things that she was doing, she would bring her arm up, and because it was so hard for her to bring her arm up because it was painful and it was feeling tight, she would bring her, let me see if I can do this, she would bring her head forward, right? So in that strain, you're trying so hard to bring it forward. So one of the things I told her was like, why don't you try this, right? So this is what I'm going to share with you if you are having some issues with your shoulder. So when you bring your arms up, don't worry about how high it is. Just kind of think about where it is and tuck your chin back as you bring your shoulder up. See if it makes it just a little bit easier, a little bit less painful. So if you are someone who's suffering with some shoulder problems, one of the first things that I do with our clients is I see where the problem is in the shoulder, and is there a neck component? And a lot of times there is, and we've got, we're looking for things that you might not have noticed. So one of the things that I noticed was that, like, every time she would lift her arms up, she would stick her chin forward. And I said, let's do this one thing. Let's tuck it back. And we did some of those chin tucks that I shared with you. So we did a bunch of those, and they were really tight. And she was like, oh my God, I totally feel, I didn't even know my neck was involved. And I was like, I know, that's why you've got to have extra eyes so we can see these things that you're not catching, so we help you get rid of the pain faster, right? So if you are suffering with shoulder problems and you're serious and you want to get some help, my name is Huang here at Hands-On Therapy Services. I'm going to include the link somewhere if you're on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, so that you can get in contact with us and give us a call so we can help you get rid of that shoulder problem. We can get you clear in terms of what's wrong so you can do the right movement to get rid of it, and so you don't have to suffer anymore. All right? So if you're someone who's suffering with shoulder and neck issues and you like this video, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel here in YouTube and get more videos like this to help you get rid of your shoulder and neck pain.